Hey there, I'm Wondered Raven, and in this video I'm going to show you can set up ShareX to work with voided.host manually without using any configuration file. Before we start, we'll need to install ShareX, of course. If you have already installed it, then you can just skip this part. But if you don't have ShareX yet, then just follow along with me. To install ShareX, we're just gonna open up our browser real quick and search for ShareX download. Then we look for downloads ShareX and just click it. I'll also put a link in the description for you. It's gonna be the second one. Now here we install the latest version. In my case, that's version 15.0.0, and we're gonna need to download the setup.exe file. Just press save here, and there we go. Now we have the setup file. We're just gonna go ahead and open it up and click ourselves through the installation. I'm just gonna keep all the default selections. It's not really that important. And that's it. Now we have ShareX installed. I'll just minimize it for now. We'll come back to it later. Now once we have installed ShareX, we can go back to our browser and go to voided.host. We'll quickly need to log in. Just enter your username and password. And voila, here we are. Alright, once we're logged in, we're gonna head on over to our user settings and look for our upload key. We're gonna copy that upload key and head on back over to ShareX. Then we're gonna go to destinations and look for the image uploader and set that to custom image uploader. Then at the bottom here, we're gonna click custom uploader settings and create a new uploader. I'm just gonna call it voided.host images. Then for the destination type, I'm gonna make sure that it says image uploader. For the method, make sure it's post, and the request URL is just gonna be https://api.voided.host/images. The URL parameters, you can just keep them empty, and for the body, make sure it's form data. Then for the headers, we're gonna have to add our upload key here, so just write authorization for the name here, and for the value, just paste in your upload key. Then for file form name, we're just gonna type in file, and down here it's gonna be a little bit more complicated, so just copy off of me or check down in the description. I put all the things I've wrote here down there as well. Then finally, we're just going to check if the image uploader is set to our uploader. And that's it. Now we configured ShareX. It's going to upload all of our screenshots to voided.host now. Now, if you never used ShareX before, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how everything works. So top here, you can see your hotkeys and what they're used for. If you want to change that, you're just going to have to open the hotkey settings. And here you can change the hotkeys. I'm just gonna set capture region to print screen and remove capture entire screen by pressing escape. Now if we close this window again, we'll see the after capture tasks here on the left. These tasks happen after we take a screenshot, but still before we uploaded it. So if we just open this up, we can see that first of all, it's gonna copy the actual screenshot into your clipboard, which is useful should the upload ever fail. Then down here, it's going to save the screenshot to a file, which I don't really need. And at the bottom, you can see that it's going to upload the screenshot to the host. Now in the after upload task, we can see the things that happen after the upload. And the only thing that's selected here, it's going to copy the upload URL into your clipboard, which of course we want. Now let's try making a screenshot to see if everything worked out. For this, I'm just gonna press print screen to capture region, just like I set up before. And now let's just draw the smiley down here, so it's not that boring. Now I'm gonna select the rectangle region again, and just select the entire ShareX window. Now it took a screenshot, and as we can see on the bottom right, it already uploaded it to voided.host. Let's go back to our web interface and check if anything is there. If nothing shows for you as well, then just reload the page, and there we go, that's our upload. It's stretched out a little, but that's just because we have only one upload at the moment. We can also check our image gallery, and there we go, it's here as well. We just open it up, voila, that's our screenshot. Now let's go into a new tab and check if it actually copied the URL into our clipboard. And yes, it worked. Perfect. Alright, that was it. If you found this video interesting and it answered all of your questions, then feel free to like it and share it to your friends who also might need some help with setting up ShareX. You can also give us some feedback down in the comments if you want to. Now, if you want to learn how to set up ShareX using the configuration file, I'm going to put the video on the screen right now. If you want to get notified about new videos about voided.host and even some changelogs in the future, feel free to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. If you have any other questions, you can ask them in the comments or in our Discord server. On our Discord, you'll also find regular updates, sneak peeks, and even some events from time to time. Thanks for watching and have a great day, everyone.